So hi everyone, today we're gonna do I Ready Reading. Yes guys, we're gonna do I Ready again.
Choose a widget to.
Okay, you guys didn't want to see that, right? That's why I just skipped
This
it.
word is equipment. Say equipment out loud.
Equipment.
Equipment is everything you need to do a certain job or activity. Plory needs special equipment to explore caves. Drag the equipment to help Plory put it on. You helped Plory put on special equipment to explore caves.
Equipment is everything you need to do a certain job or activity. Supplies and tools are synonyms of equipment. These words mean almost the same thing.
The Spanish word for equipment is equipo.
Which piece of swimming equipment do you think is most important? Oh, I'll bet that piece of equipment would make you a super-duper swimmer.
No, I didn't mean to click that.
Equipment is
Now I
everything
need to
you
go
need to
back.
do a certain job or activity. Supplies and tools are synonyms of equipment. These words mean almost the same thing.
The Spanish word for equipment.
Which piece of swimming equipment do you think is most important?
That is what I
Oh,
meant.
I'll bet that piece of equipment would make you a super-duper swimmer.
This word is useful. Say
Useful.
useful out loud.
Useful.
Something useful helps you do or get what you want. Plory needs help fixing the broken pipe. Drag the object that will be most useful to Plory.
Why are you using an apple?
Oh.
You helped Plory find a useful tool to fix the pipe.
Something useful helps you do or get what you want. Helpful is a synonym of useful. These words mean almost the same thing.
Dogs need many things when you take care of them. Which do you think is the most useful? Good choice! That thing is very useful when I'm taking care of Snarg.
That reminds me of Snark too. He's a dog.
This word is operate. Say operate out loud.
Apparato.
When you operate a machine, you make it work. Tap the handle to help you operate the claw machine.
Oh! Yeah!
You helped you operate the claw machine. When you operate a machine, you make it work.
You.
Work and run are synonyms of operate. These words mean almost the same thing.
The Spanish word for operate is operar.
So it's operar.
Which of these would you like to operate someday? Yeah! Operating that machine would be so exciting!
This word is proper. Say proper out loud.
Proper.
Something that is proper is correct or just right. Drag the spoon so Yoop has the proper tool for eating the soup.
Ah!
You helped give Yoop the proper tool for eating the soup. Something that is proper is correct or just right. Correct and right are synonyms of proper. These words mean almost the same thing.
All of these are the proper shoes for running. Which pair do you like best? I'll bet those shoes would look awesome on you.
This word is available. Say available out loud.
Available, available, available.
When something is available, you are able to use it or get it. Help Snart find a porta potty that is available. Tap the one with the green window.
He jumps. He's weird. He's so weird. No, I actually hate.
You helped Snark find an available porta potty.
He was dancing
When
weirdly.
something is available, you are able to use it or get it. Handy and ready for use are synonyms of available. They mean almost the same thing.
All of these foods might be available at a school cafeteria. Which would you choose for lunch?
I'm gonna choose the healthy one. Because these two, they'll be like, oh, I'm so full. I'm gonna do this.
Yum!
Yep, they don't even serve these.
This word is structure. Say structure out loud.
Structure.
A structure is something that has been built. Help Snarg build a structure to play on. Drag each part to its correct spot.
It's kind of like I'm actually learning. Like I put this right here, but I get it wrong. Like that.
You helped Snarg build a structure to play on.
Wait, he built it, so he's not supposed to play on it. Other people are supposed to. He's like, I'm just gonna jump.
A structure is something that has been built. Building is a synonym of structure. These words mean almost the same thing.
The Spanish word for structure is estructura.
All of these structures are homes. Which one might you like to live in?
I want to live in this one because I can make it much bigger and it's much easier.
Oh, I would love to visit you in that home and see what it's like inside.
Excellent job! Look at all the new words you are learning.
You'll see these word widgets again. You can use them to help you remember what the words mean.
Guys, we currently have this much of a subscriber. Please subscribe to Krister's channel. Please subscribe. We have one right here, but these are the biggest. This one is bigger than this Cat 5 and this 3 and this one. This is the biggest number. If you subscribe, I'll teach you more. Please subscribe. Also, go back to reading mode right now. So please subscribe. I'll look right here. Bye. Let's do reading mode.
You've and I love learning those words so much. Let's add them. Drag each word to the picture that shows its meaning. If you want to hear a word read aloud, press the audio button. You helped us label the pictures in our word journal. Structure. Proper. Equipment. You helped us label the pictures in our word journal. Thanks for helping us
Add to our word journal. We will treasure these memories forever.
What's
next? Tap on the green arrow button to keep going.
Glory, look at this! Such a long neck! Such tall legs! This giraffe is an amazing structure!
This giraffe is amazing, Yoop. But it is not a structure. A structure is something that has been built, like an igloo. I think we need to keep working with our words.
Help me explain each picture so I can share photos with my friends. Complete both sentences. Drag the correct words into the blanks. A cookbook is for making different dishes. You just need to have the right foods and to follow the steps. Look carefully at the picture. Then use the word widgets to review each word's meaning. Double wow! A cookbook is useful for making different dishes. You just need to have the right foods available and to follow the steps.
Please subscribe.
The two friends got the tools and materials to make a treehouse. They spent days creating the
You would not spend days, guys.
Look carefully at the picture. Then use the word widgets to review each word's meaning. That's the scoop! The two friends got the proper tools and materials to make a treehouse. They spent days creating the structure. A stove is an important piece of camping. These campers, their small stove to cook a hot meal. Zoe! A stove is an important piece of camping equipment. These campers operate their small stove to cook a hot meal. Thanks for helping add to my collection of photos.
Listen up. I have questions and I need answers.
Help us answer Major Pearl's questions.
Major Pearl's question.
Drag the correct answer into the empty space.
Which word describes a book that you can get at the library?
Bye, we'll see you on the next